Hello everybody, my name is ekshim from 경일그린텍. So nice to meet you. After lunch, I believe you get a little bit sleep, okay? So let's make some stretches 3 times, okay? I will show you. 1, like this, 1, okay. 1 more, 2, stretch, yes. Again, 1 more, okay, 1 more, okay. Get refreshed? Okay, it's good. Today I'm sharing my global experience with you. And because when I started the business, my friend, don't waste the time to develop some system, but I did. So today, I would like to introduce new solar energy storage system. The UN always emphasizes we need some sustainable system. Why they emphasize? Because we don't have sustainable system, so they emphasize. It was 2013. After lunch at my yard, I found out hazy green LED light under the snow. I was so much curious how this small LED light working even under the snow. At that moment, idea reminds me, if supercapacitor LED operating system really works the day when snow falls and charge solar energy, maybe I can use supercapacitor as battery. Next day, I called to my friend and I explained my story under the snow. But nobody agrees with me, my idea, because nobody used supercapacitor as battery. So I was so much disappointed. Why they don't agree with my idea? Again, next day come. I thought, if nobody is doing supercapacitor solar system development, I must start. Because if I start, I will be the first one in the world. After 2 years later, I designed and I developed supercapacitor solar charging and discharging system. This was 8 watt per hour supercapacitor solar security light. As you know, in Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar, it's a very, very cold area. Minus 39. But it works perfectly as of today, almost 3 years. It works. No any other maintenance cost. Again, 1 year later, my Mongolian friend, Mr. Patunga, sent SNS message to me. Daytime snow, but how charging? I do not understand. Nighttime very cold. This year, last 10 years, cold day now. Maybe he's not engineer, so surprised. Because on the PV panel was covered with snow, but still charging, okay? So after installation, almost 3 years, no maintenance cost. 경일그린텍 is Korean venture company, which is not that big, but we developed this system. In this world, 76 billion people live together. In this beautiful earth, we live together. But about 13 billion people, they do not have any lighting system. My dream is to supply electricity with sustainable supercapacitor solar charging and discharging system. You can use semi-permanently supercapacitor. However, the Earth receives more energy from the sun in just 1 hour, than the world population uses in a whole year. This is an amazing story. We have free solar energy, but we do not have any container to store solar energy. But what was your experience with a battery with solar energy? Really, battery is good for solar energy charging and discharging? And why we store solar energy into battery only? No other alternative way to store solar energy? We have. That's why today I'm here. If we do not have any battery recycling system, throw away battery here and there will make environmental pollution continuously. So we must reduce battery usage at least in public sector. Why? For my son, for my daughter, for my grandson, granddaughter also. For us, we have to reduce battery usage because battery has heavy metal. Do you know that? You can easily go to the market, buy the battery, which is a cheaper one. But cheaper one is harmful to you. Today, I would like to suggest we have another solar energy container, not only battery, but also supercapacitor. So, I would like to introduce my company's activity with a video.
The importance of a new renewable energy source is on the rise again due to a recent exhaustion of fossil fuels, fluctuating oil prices, accidents involving nuclear reactors, and climate change. Therefore, a new renewable energy is being developed as clean energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydro generation. This includes using only solar photovoltaic modules to convert solar power into electricity without any pollution. Solar power is being developed and applied with priority to real-life circumstances and across industries as it is eco-friendly and requires low maintenance costs. However, existing solar power generation creates heat on the solar photovoltaic modules when electricity is generated. Therefore, it is not energy efficient due to the temperature rise. Batteries as solar energy storage devices have a short duration of use, requiring frequent replacement, and it is difficult to respond to unpredictable output patterns of renewable energy with them. To counter these problems, Gyung-gu has developed a solar photovoltaic module that takes advantage of wind passage and supercapacitors, a sustainable energy storage device with an extended life for solar energy security lights with highly efficient energy generation. The solar energy security light is composed of solar photovoltaic modules, supercapacitors, controller, LED, and more. And with its trendy design, the solar power security light adds visual beauty through visual appeal with its surrounding environment. If you look at how it works, the solar photovoltaic modules absorb solar power from the sun and transfers it to the supercapacitor, the main energy storage device, through the controller. During the process, the holes in the solar photovoltaic modules at regular intervals allow for wind to pass through. This prevents from temperature rises of the solar photovoltaic modules and causes temperatures to drop during electricity generation for the most optimal solar power generation environment. Therefore, the issue of degradation in generation efficiency dropping by 0.5% when the temperature of the solar photovoltaic modules rises by 1 degree has been fixed. The supercapacitors can be charged and discharged semi-permanently regardless of changes in the weather or temperature conditions due to the fact that it can store energy on an electric field as static electricity. Manufactured with active carbon powder from coconut shells and charcoal, it is eco-friendly, semi-permanent, and stable with low risk of explosion. Depending on the capacity of a facility, an auxiliary battery can be used as well. It is an innovative hybrid energy storage device. The supercapacitor transfers stored energy into the LED light via the controller. The solar power street light will light up the surrounding environment after sunset. In summary, the solar power security lights from 경ilgrintek apply optimal technologies for the utilization of solar power through various applications of new technologies. Furthermore, with the possible applications of smartphone and electric car charging, they are future-proof and eco-friendly products with new technologies for innovative new renewable energy. The performance of solar power security lights has been proven through numerous overseas experiments and R&D activities. They have been exported to Russia, Mongolia, and Indonesia beyond the domestic market, contributing to the distribution of superior technologies of utilizing a new renewable energy. 경ilgrintek will become a company that lights up the darkness with technological innovations. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. This is our activity for technology development. And also, when I start to develop my supercapacitor system, I went to the African country, Guinea, Conakry, and Mongolia, and Indonesia, and also Russia. So I checked current problem of the battery-powered solar street light. There was quite problems. So I will introduce another video which is showing you the problems of the solar street light. Maybe you have same problem in your country. On your left and right side, yellow light is electricity powered street light. But in the middle, white lamp is battery powered solar street light. When I start, maybe 20% of them are out of order. But when I reach end of the road, 60% to 70%
이렇게 하면 모수가 늘어나니까
solar street light was out of order.
전체
So, is it good sustainable system? Battery has a problem or controlling system has a problem. Every 2 years, you have to replace. You have to pay cost. Introduction cost may be lower. But when you use more than 10 years, you have to pay regularly. In case you introduce battery-powered solar street light. To my surprise, in 2009, U.S. Department of the Energy already announced we have 2 power storage technologies, okay? The first one, as you know, battery. The other one was EDLC, which is a supercapacitor, or in America they call ultracapacitor, okay? This report shows the lifetime of the battery is 2 or 3 years. But in case of the street light, this is an outdoor product. The professor and doctor always stay developed under the temperature of the 25 degree. But actually in the street, like Saudi Arabia, very hot country, but in Mongolia, it's minus 39. It doesn't work. Okay? So we have to develop renewable energy technology in the site. Otherwise, we will have a lot of problems. So we need sustainable energy storage device. But 8 years later, as of this year, nobody is developing some system, to my surprise. So I have a chance to develop this system. My global field test result shows enough possibility to use supercapacitor as battery purpose for solar system, I believe. This is my R&D lab. In the Yongin R&D Center, we connect serial and parallel, and we got the voltage, necessary voltage and ampere. The solar energy comes from PV panel to supercapacitor module, and eventually turn on the light. Okay, today Korean government would like to expand renewable energy, like a battery powered solar street light, but battery was stolen by thief. So it means thief push us to develop new technology. If you have same problems, and I was in Indonesia, a lot of the battery was stolen by thief. But in case of the supercapacitor, it has wide using temperature range. So we can put supercapacitor module into stainless form. So it's very safe. I personally 6-year R&D activities, okay? And after that, I found out the company 3 years. We need 3 pivotal technologies to use renewable energy. Today, PV supplier is very busy to make a PV panel only. Battery company is very busy to supply battery only. A controlling system, another company. So it comes together, doesn't work. Of course, when you buy the first month, maybe it will turn on. But as time goes by, it's come off, out of order. So our company makes 3 technology convergence. My dream is this. My development target is this. I would like to develop solar energy storage system up to megawatt class. I will challenge. So what is the difference between battery and supercapacitor? It's very simple. Battery, you know, is a chemical action and reaction. They charge electricity and discharge. That's it. But in case of the supercapacitor, electrostatistically, they charge solar energy between 2 metal surfaces. So it has wide temperature range. So another one strong point of the supercapacitor is this. Raw material of supercapacitor is coconut shell. You have a lot in your country. Okay? African country, Asian country, you have coconut shell a lot. It means you have raw material in your country, but you don't have a technology to produce supercapacitor. So that's why we need international cooperation. This year in Japan, they announced charcoal supercapacitor development. Supercapacitor is quick charging is possible. Once introduced, it can be used semi-permanently without material damage, and there is no ignition risk. It means Supercapacitor is more safe than battery. You have experience of the battery explosion. In 2015, actually 2014, I visited Jakarta State University to the professor. I suggested, in Indonesia, you have lot of coconut shell, raw material you have. So let us make a supercapacitor solar security line and install it. As of today, no maintenance cost, it works. After that, they introduced me Bangka Island. So we installed. Over there, it works perfectly. And after that, I again changed to Russia, Vladivostok, where it's very cold area. In Korea, also we start to install, okay, Sosan Solar Venture Complex. Okay, rainy day, snow day, cloudy day, we make our R&D activities, okay? As I introduced, under the snow, we can make a charging. So rainy day, cloudy change charging technology, we also developed now. So I compared the ground looks. This is electricity powered street light. On the ground, it's a 22 to 24 looks. Now I'm under testing 30 watt per hour. The ground looks is almost 37 ground looks. And after 3 years, global field test activities, okay, I went to the government laboratory for certificate. But they told me, we don't have any industrial standard. So if you don't have, you make. But they asked me, I make. So okay, I will make. This industrial standard, I will make. But anyway, I developed this system, you should issue certificate. When we have a solar energy storage system, I propose to Seoul City. Let us make a smartphone charger with a supercapacitor. And I realized, and Seoul Solar Expo exhibition we introduced. So many foreigners, so many visitors, they love to use smartphone charger. Also, we have some design development project. So since we have alternative way to store solar energy, not only battery, but supercapacitor. So 경일그린텍, today we have enough technology. That's why we need global cooperation. Any country, any company, or any people who need our technology, I'm willing to cooperate with you. Okay, thank you very much.